Hello my friends, today we are doing an unboxing and a walkthrough of the Bianco Nero Tarot by Marco Proietto, and this deck is published by US Games. It's a black and white deck and it's my first ever black and white deck. I've never been drawn to work with one before until I saw these card images. They really spoke to me for some reason, so let's see if black and white is for me or not. Yeah, that's nice cardstock, silky but not glossy, just how I like it. And let's see what it says here about the artist. Marco Proietto was born in Rome, Italy in 1982. In 2001, he obtained a high school diploma at the Primo Liceo Artistico of Rome. Later, he attended the Accademia di Belle Arti, sorry, I don't really speak Italian, of Rome, specializing in painting. After his academic studies, he pursued personal projects and participated in art exhibitions with oil paintings and ink illustrations. In 2006, he was admitted to the Scuola dell'Arte della Medaglia, and where he examined in depth engraving and sculpture techniques, blah, 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 blah. So that's a bit about the artist. See, let's have a look at the little white book. It's got a picture of the world on the front, and it's written by Arwen Lynch, and let's see what it says here in the introduction. It says, Bianco Nero, black and white tarot, blends the classic iconography of the Visconti tarot. Well, that will be why it spoke to me, because I love the Visconti, with the modern illustrations of the Rider-Waite tarot. This deck stays true to the images, symbolism and figures in those popular tarot decks. Okay, well, let's see. Let's let the cards reveal this. So I'm just going to show each of the cards in turn here and not really say that much about them, because at the angle I'm holding them, I can't really see them that well. But they're very clear, these images. And that's what makes it possible to read them quite easily. Even, oh, see, I can see that in the camera screen here, and it's that hermit's really speaking. I'm in a hermit year. That's really speaking to me. Yeah, I mean, from what I can tell, this deck is definitely going to live up to expectation. Very talented artist to be able to bring these images to life without color the way he has done. So I'm excited to be in reading with this deck. No, so here are the, right, so these minor arcana cards, I mean, from what I can tell straight away, we've got the Rider-Waite 2 of Wands imagery, same with the 3 of Wands, same with the 4, 5, yeah, so these are all, so you don't get the Visconti plain number cards, so you get fully illustrated pip cards, which is lovely. Although I like both. But yeah, this makes it easy to read intuitively. And so this would make a good deck for a beginner tarot reader as well, if you're not that fussed about color. And there are multiple uses for this deck, I'm sure. Like I say, I don't even know why I was so drawn to get this deck, other than the images just speaking to me, because normally I would say black and white, nah, not for me. I need the colour to read intuitively. But I think in our minds we project colour onto things anyway, even when there isn't any. So maybe I'm at that stage now where I don't need to see them, I can project them. Stunning imagery. Really, really pleased. from what I can tell so far. Let's have a little look at that Four of Pentacles. Yeah, that's my birthday decan or decan card. So I always look at that one to see if I'm going to like it or not. Yep. Ooh, nice. And these are the card backs. Beautiful design on the backs, I really like that. So, let's see, are there any spreads included? Maybe in the little white book. Major Arcana. Oh yes. Right, so this is all in English, so I started flipping through this expecting it to turn to another language because I've been getting a lot of Los Scarabeo decks. But the spreads are right at the back, and the one I flipped open to is called Black and White Goals Spread. So that's designed especially for this deck. And there's a sample reading. I think that's the only spread in the little white book. Yeah, it seems to be that way. Right, so I hope you enjoyed getting to know the Bianco Nero, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, lots of love, bye for now.